This is LA's new brand new car. It's a Honda Civic. This is color is red. This is Honda in which year? So we have decided to have a new car for her because her old car is the windshield is really bad. The car, the windshield is already very bad. It's the length of the destroyed windshield is very difficult to handle. So that's why we are discuss and decided to have a new one for his job. So now I have a peace of mind that she has a brand new car. That's all. All right.
The new one. New.
It's charging, right? I think
Your
it's in there.
car will maybe is on the side.
It's a corn elote.
Yeah, we are now test driving the new car of LA. We will go to somewhere and to eat somewhere. And also here we go. And also, let's go. We are here. Okay. Going to the Chili's for the new car. Chili's. Okay. Here we go. Going to Chili's. That's the car in front of us. It's the brand new one. Yes, this is a gift of God. Galing kay Mama. Okay.
A lot of it, but then the story is so good.
Happy birthday. Birthday.
Hi!
I love you a new car. Okay, celebration. Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you.
Long life with good health. Really watch over her. We're so honored to be here. Thank you again for blessing us. Blessing you with the car. May you just continue to show your provision and just watch over us. Happy birthday!
Guys, woo! Happy birthday! Woo! Say hi, guys. Say hi to the vlog. A new car.
1998. 888. Oh my gosh, Claire. We love you, Claire.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay, see you in the next generation.